Okay, so we've just completed on the purchase of this property for our landlord client. For one of our investor client. This is the garage, and I think it's a three large bedrooms plus this garage. There is potential to convert this into another room, but I think, given the cost of converting this into a room, like a bedroom or a third reception room, and the additional rent will get us a 4-bed, and its revaluation, I would suggest actually just keeping it as a 3-bed and keeping that garage as it is, because in some areas you'll get a lot more rent if it was a 4-bed. This area is really, really nice, but I don't think you'd get much more rent as a 4-bed here. Not enough to justify converting that into another bedroom. Also, I'll need to check the comparables, but again, I don't think the revaluation as a 4-bed would justify the spend on it, and what else you can use the money for. We have converted 2 and 3 beds into 4 beds before, actually 4 or 5 beds, and it's worked really well, but it doesn't work for all properties. Anyway, so this is the space itself. So that's the garage over there. This is the kitchen. It's not the biggest kitchen, but to be fair, it's not exactly small either. So an option here could be to knock that wall through and have an open plan kitchen diner. Potentially knock this down as well, but this is expensive, so maybe leave that. And then have a kitchen diner here, because there's a reception room sort of area here, and there's another space here, and also this sort of lean-to, which is actually quite sturdy, and a small garden, but very easy to maintain garden at the back. So the footprint is actually of this property is actually quite large for what it is, which means that there is scope to have an open plan kitchen, and that would actually get you that would attract a certain type of tenant, or a certain tenant profile, who are prepared to pay much higher rent. So that's a very interesting opportunity. Maybe with that type of property, maybe actually you do want to knock that through, have an open plan kitchen diner, living room space here, and then actually maybe you can support a 4th bedroom. Maybe you can convert that into a bedroom or another reception room, because of the type of look that we're going for and the type of tenants that would attract. Maybe it's worth it. I don't think so. I still think it's probably better to keep the garage as it is. This is the smallest bedroom. As you can see, it's actually quite a decent size. Boiler's in there, unfortunately, but it is a new boiler, so that's good. Okay. As you see, this is the neighbour. This is the area. I mean, that's really well maintained. No rubbish. Really quiet. Yeah, I mean, if you look, everybody just really look after their property, which is like a fantastic sign if you are investing for the long term and you want to attract good tenants and you don't want headaches. Just spend a bit more money and get a really nice property like this. And I'll show you that's the 2nd bedroom. This is the 3rd bedroom. So all, not the largest, but still a decent size. I mean, this is decent size bedroom. All double glazed. And this is the front of the street, as you can see. Clean street. There's a playing field over there. In fact, actually, I'm pretty sure we used to go there for sports day when I was at school. So anybody from Tommy's? Hi guys. And this is the bathroom. Really big bathroom. Like probably, it's a huge bathroom. So this definitely is replacing, like gutting and starting again. Maybe just paint over. But yeah, anyway, so I'll do a separate video to show what needs doing throughout. If you don't know me already, my name's Nguyen. We let and manage high quality HMOs and single lets in and around Birmingham. We also buy properties for our landlord clients, and then renovate them, let them manage them. I love the neighbourhood. I used to score school down there. All right, see you.